Violent storms with 86,000 lightning strikes resulted in hundreds of missions in Austria. Heavy thunderstorms started again on Monday evening in many regions of Austria. In addition to parts of Upper and Lower Austria, Tyrol and Styria, the federal state of Salzburg was severely affected. Especially in Pinzgau and Pongau there were mudslides and floods. More than 100 people were brought to safety. On Tuesday, some streets were still closed in the morning. The civil protection alarm for the Reinbachsiedlung district of St. Johann was lifted. The extent of the serious damage is now assessed during reconnaissance flights. Around 500 missions by 52 fire brigades with around 1,400 firefighters were completed. In St. Johann alone there were around 140 damage areas. Mayor Günther Mitterer asked the residents of the Reinbach settlement to stay on the upper floors and not to enter the basement after the Reinbach had overflowed its banks and several mudslides had come off. Heavy rain also drew a swath through Upper Austria on Monday evening, from Munden am Tronsee to Wolfern in the Styria Land district. 1,500 members of 100 fire brigades were called to over 500 missions. Flooded streets, full cellars, water in the living room and floating manhole covers were the reasons for the alarm, especially in the districts of Munden, Kirchdorf and Styria Land.